Hey everybody, James Wright here from Brantford Honda, aka Mr.BuyitWright. Today we're taking a look at the all-new 2020 CRV Sport in the beautiful modern steel metallic color. Let's take a peek. On the CRV Sport, you do have some beautiful styling. As you can see, your trim lines look great. These 19-inch wheels and tires really pop when you take a look at them. I love the nice aggressive honeycomb style grille. You also get the roof rails on this. And on the Sport trim, you do have a blind spot camera. I'll tell you more about that when I look inside. Coming around the back here, you do have a power hatch. All you have to do is press the button on your remote there or tap a button on the back of the car. She'll open up for you. And it's very easy to lay the seats down in this. One of them is already down. You just simply pull a lever. And that's it. To close her back up, you just push a little button on top or use your remote. I like the nice chrome finishes on the exhaust pipes as well. And with the CRV, you do have a keyless proximity door fob. It does have the remote engine starter on it. So all you have to do to get in is grab the door handle. It unlocks for you. If you want to relock it when you're walking away, you just tap the 3 bars that are on top there. And on the inside, there's loads of convenience features. These seats are ridiculously comfortable. You do have some nice little leather trim on the outsides, and they are power seats with lumbar support. You also have a heated steering wheel. The leather wrapped heated steering wheel, you have 4 range controls right at your fingertips. On the right here is your adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist. So when you turn this on, it's gonna pop up on the dash behind you. You can choose how many car lengths you want to be behind the person in front of you when your cruise is engaged. It'll slow down behind them and speed back up when they get out of the way. Your lane keep assist. When that's on, it's going to read the lines on the road and help keep you within those lines when you're going over 70 kilometers an hour. Of course, the heated steering wheel button is there. On the left, you have your Bluetooth, media, voice control. You can switch between your radio stations by flicking up and down, skipping tracks back and forth. Of course, the volume up and down here. This button controls your digital display right and behind, so you can flip between your fuel economy, driver attention monitor, your all-wheel drive information, maintenance, media, Bluetooth, and you can flip back and forth between your kilometers per hour and miles per hour very simply, and then your vehicle information. Just down below here is your Honda sensing features, so you have your lane mitigation, forward collision warning, and then your front windshield de-icer, as well as that power hatch and traction control. And on the door, your power mirror and window switches. On the dash, you have an absolutely gorgeous touchscreen display. This is very user-friendly and fully customizable. You can change around your home screen to move the buttons around and change them how you like. This is also displayed for your backup camera. So right now it is showing you the wide angle view. I like that view because you can see when you're backing up a parking space what's coming beside you. You also have your regular backup view, or you can look straight down. This right along here is your bumper. So I like to use this when I'm backing up close to an object like another car or a wall. This prevents you from hitting it, but you can tuck in nice and close so you can fit in the space. You control your climate through the screen as well, so you can flip between your fan speeds, where you want the fan to point, AC on and off. And you also have this very easy to use dual zone climate control panel, so you can have different temperatures on each side of the car, as well as your heated seats for each side. This is your automatic gear shifter. You have your auto start stop feature there. It's going to save you some money on gas. Just like the econ mode, pop that button on, it's going to save you some money on gas as well. Your brake hold feature, that is a little bit of a newer feature, so you put that on. I like to use it in drive-thrus because I'm kind of lazy like that, but you can, when that is engaged, you can let go of the brake and the car will stay stopped until you hit the gas again, and your electronic parking brake. Now this is all new on the 2020. They did change around the center console here, so you do have 2 USB ports, one for the driver, one for the passenger. The driver's side one is your connection to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So when you plug your phone in there, you can load up your maps onto this screen. I use Google Maps. You can also use Waze, Spotify, whichever compatible apps that you have, you can load up on the screen there. You have your cup holders and a little storage tray. Now this is all new and I'm in love with it. You do have your adjustable armrest, so you can change it how you're comfortable. Now this is completely changed. You can slide this back so you can have some more of your storage. You can flip it up so it's out of the way. On the older model, you had to remove the tray if you wanted it all open. And you have a lot of storage in the middle here, guys. And as you can see, there is also a 12-volt socket down below. Up above here, you have your one-touch power sunroof. So all you have to do is touch the button one time. It's gonna open all the way up for you so you don't have to hold it. You also have a garage door button here. You have 3. So you can have 3 different garage doors that you can control inside your car. So you don't have to have the stupid little button hanging off your visor there. And the trimming inside this Sport, I am in absolutely love with it. This metallic looking trim looks fantastic. Some of the black finishes on the inside as well. They made the Sport very clean, very performance sporty looking. The feature that I'm a fan of is this blind spot camera. So whenever you signal to the right, this is what you're gonna see, whatever's beside you, and it'll show you how many car lengths back that person is. Now what I like is you don't have to signal to have that on. You can push this little button that's on the side anytime that you're driving just to view what's behind you. So I do that on the highway a lot just to know my surroundings a little bit better. In the back, with loads of passenger space in the CRV, you do have a folding down center armrest with cup holders, as well as your AC vents. And just down below here is 2 quick charge ports. Now these are 2.5 amps, so they're gonna charge a lot quicker than most out there. Thank you for watching. If you're in the market for a new CRV, go ahead and call or text me on my cell anytime. That's 519-732-5551. That's for any general vehicle information or to arrange your test drive, and I'll put you my next gift card giveaway.